Dear students, we are solving problems on Bode plots. The next problem is the approximated Bode magnitude plot of a minimum phase system is shown in figure. Find the transfer function of the system. This is the Bode magnitude plot. To find the corresponding transfer function for this magnitude Bode plot, first we need to observe what is the initial slope. What is the slope here? 0 dB per decade. Whenever we are having 0 dB per decade, then we can say that in the transfer function we are not having any pole or 0 at origin, since we are having 0 dB per decade here. At corner frequency 0.1, below 0.1 it is 0 dB per decade. After 0.1 it is 60 dB per decade. So the slope 60 dB per decade minus 0 dB per decade is change in slope is plus 60 dB per decade. So how many poles are present at corner frequency 0.1? Three zeros are present, since we are having plus 60 dB per decade. If we are having minus 60 dB per decade, then poles are present. 3 poles will be present. Since in this problem, in this case, we are having plus 60 dB per decade mean zeros. 60 dB means for each pole we will be having plus, for each zero we will be having a slope that plus 20 dB per decade, plus 20 dB per decade, plus 20 dB per decade, totally 60 dB per decade. So 1 plus s by 0.1 whole power cube. 3 zeros are present. The next corner frequency is 10. Initial slope is 60 dB per decade. After 10 it is plus 20 dB per decade is there. What is the change in slope? Change in slope is plus 20 dB per decade minus 60 dB per decade, that is minus 40 dB per decade. If you are getting minus 40 dB per decade, then 2 poles are present at corner frequency 10, that is 1 plus s by 10 whole square. Now the next corner frequency is 100. The initial slope for corner frequency 100 is plus 20 dB, and here after 100 the corner frequency is 0 dB per decade. So the change in slope is minus 0 dB per decade minus 20 dB per decade is equal to minus 20 dB per decade. So 1 pole is present at corner frequency 100, 1 plus s by 100. The transfer function equal to k into 1 plus s by 0.1 whole cube divided by 1 plus s by 10 whole square into 1 plus s by 100. So we need to find the k value. To find the k value, what is the initial magnitude? Initial magnitude is 20 at 0.1. At 0.1 the initial magnitude is 20. That equivalent to 20 log k plus 20 log of 1 plus s by 0.1 minus 40 log of, for this, minus 40 log of 1 plus s by 10 minus 20 log of 1 plus s by 100. For denominator terms, if you bring it to numerator, for this, since we are having here square minus 40, since we are having only in denominator term minus 20 log of 1 plus s by 100. So substitute, that means here we are going to neglect, when compared to 1 s by 0.1 is very small, so we are going to neglect it, and here also we are going to neglect it. S by 100 also we are going to neglect when compared to 1. So all these terms will be zeros, so we will be getting it as 20 log k. So k equal to 10. In this way we need to calculate k equals, or k equal to k value equal to or the k value directly we can find out the shortcut method, that is k equal to product with the denominator corner frequencies divided by product with the numerator corner frequencies. So k is product with denominator corner frequencies. Denominator corner frequency is 10 square into 100. Numerator corner frequency is 0.1 whole cube. And if you simplify this, you will be getting it as the transfer function as 10 power 8 into s into 0.1 whole cube, s plus 10 whole square, s plus 100. This is the problem. The next problem is the asymptotic approximation of log magnitude versus frequency plot of minimum phase system is shown in figure. Find the transfer function. To find the transfer function for this, first observe what is the initial slope, minus 40 dB. Whenever we are having minus 40 dB, that this indicates that two poles are present at origin. So we need to write it as s square term. If you are having 0 dB, we will not be getting any pole or 0 at the origin. Next, the corner frequency is 2. At the corner frequency is 2, whether the slope has been increased or decreased. Minus 40, again it has been gone to minus 60. So one pole should present at corner frequency 2. The next corner frequency is 5. The initial slope is minus 60 dB per decade. After corner frequency 5, the slope is minus 40. So 0 is present at 5. So s plus 5. Next corner frequency is 25. The initial slope to the corner frequency 25 is minus 40 dB per decade. After 25, it is minus 60 dB per decade. The slope has been increased. The slope has been gone from minus 40 to 60. So one more pole is present at 25. So s plus 25. Now, what is the transfer function? How can you find the k value? To find the k value, so what is the magnitude? 54 at 0.1. 20 log k minus 20 log k minus 40 log 0.1. Why we have taken it as only 0.1? Even the remaining terms will be neglected. It becomes 0. When compared to 1, s by 5 is a very small value. 1 by 5 is a very small value, so we neglect this term. When compared to 1 by 2 is a small value, we neglect it. When compared to 1 by 25 is a small value, we neglect it. We left over 20 log k minus 40 log 0.1. So if you simplify this, we will be getting it as 14 equal to 20 log k base 10, k equal to 5. So the corresponding transfer function is 50 into 1 plus s by 5 divided by s square into 1 plus s by 2 into 1 plus s by 25. This is the required transfer function. The function corresponding to Bode plot is, this is the Bode plot. For this Bode plot, find the transfer function. To find the transfer function, what is the initial slope? Initial slope is 0. Initial slope is 0. So there are no poles or zeros at the origin. So transfer function equal to k into initial slope is 0. After that, it has been increased. The slope has been increased 20 dB per decade at a corner frequency f1 omega 1 f1. So transfer function equal to k into 1 plus s by f1, that equivalent to this. the transfer function is what is the k value. How can we find the k value? To find the k value, here 6 dB per octave. 6 dB per octave is nothing but 20 dB per decade. Please keep in mind the relation between octave and decade. 6 dB per octave is nothing but 20 dB per decade. You need to keep in mind this relation between octave and decade. Yeah, determine the transfer function for the given Bode plot. See here 6 dB is there, 32 dB is there. They had not given the corner frequencies. We are supposed to calculate these corner frequencies and we need to find out the transfer function. For such problems, in general, how we can calculate the slope? Change in magnitude divided by change in logarithmic frequencies. Change in magnitude means m2 minus m1 divided by log omega 2 minus log omega 1. So change in magnitude. The change in magnitude is nothing but 32 minus 6 dB. 32 minus 6 dB, or the generalized formula we can calculate it as minus 20. Slope is, what the slope here? Here initial slope is minus 20. So here 0.1 comma 32, omega 1 comma 6. So we can calculate, we can equate it and find out the, we know that the slope to end points, we can calculate this x coordinate, that is omega 1. Omega 1 is 2. Similarly, to calculate the omega 2, the omega 2 is, here we are having this, you know, omega 1 it is 2 comma 6, here it is omega 2 comma 6. So to calculate that, minus 20, 0 minus 6 divided by log 10 minus log omega 2. If you simplify that, we will be getting it as omega 2 equal to 5. With this, we can write the transfer function as k into 1 plus s by 2, s into 1 plus s by 5 into 1 plus s by 10. Omega 2 is 5, omega 1 is 2, and 1 plus s by 10. Yeah. To find the k value, equate it as this as initial at corner frequency 0.1, the magnitude is 32, 20 log k minus 20 log 0.1 is 10. The remaining values, when compared to 1 by 2 can be neglected. When compared to 1 by 5 and 1 by 10 is neglected. So all these three terms can be neglected. So the k value is 4. So the transfer function is 100 into 1 plus s by 2 divided by s into s plus 1 plus s by 5 into 1 plus s by 10. This is the required transfer function for the given problem. Find the transfer function for the given Bode magnitude plot. The same type of problem. Change in slope equal to change in magnitude divided by change in corner frequency. Initial slope is minus 20. We substitute here in this formula, we will be getting it as omega 1 equal to 2. Now we can do the same method. Even this is also the same method. All these problems are same. We practice once so that we'll be going for next problem, next concept.